Welcome to another SCDTV review division production, and today we're going to talk about
some A-Tacs goodies from Dytac.
Yes, back in the day, it was about a year ago, Dudy had a uniform. It was one of the first in Poland, brand new proper uniforms in new advanced tactical concealment solution, camo.
Well, A-Tacs for short.
Yeah, A-Tacs for short. Was it good?
Camouflage as a color, yes. Pattern, wonderful. But the uniform was too hot for my taste.
Yeah, so we wait for another manufacturer than proper to come up with a new, proper uniform that could allow you to breathe in it.
In the meantime, a lot more and more producers are introducing, well, products that use the A-Tacs camouflage, and one of them is Dytac,
which is an official partner.
Which is, and yes, as Eric said, Dytac is the official partner of A-Tacs, and here we've got some goodies from Dytac in A-Tacs. Well, except the magazines, which are Dytacs but not in A-Tacs yet.
Okay, so what do we have for you today is...
Well, let's start from my side.
Okay.
So here we've got two fast mags. Well, they come in pairs, and you can holster it to every mole gear that has mole spouls.
Yeah.
Then we've got three holsters.
This is Serpa style holster.
One is for P226, and here two we've got for Glock family, and here this one is the Cry Precision style holster for Glocks, and it's very nice because you can hold a Glock with a flashlight.
Yes, with a flashlight. And now we have some AR-15 accessories like two pistol grips, a regular M4 pistol grip in A-Tacs camo,
Tango down style pistol grip.
Here we have two Tango down style forward grips, the short one and the long one, as you can see. Then we've got
MOE style front guard, which is, well, it looks like A-Tacs foliage green because it's much greener than the rest, but we don't know. It looks greener than regular A-Tacs accessories we've got here.
Then we have LMT style soft mod buttstock for AEG,
which is nice as it has a feature like PTWs have, so you can take this one thing and easily you can install your batteries here. Of course, if your AEG is, well, backwired.
And last but not least, rail covers. Yeah, in A-Tacs camo. Cool.
And the last thing is...
Oh, I forgot. It's a complete receiver set for an M4 style AEG, which is upper receiver, lower receiver, bolt carrier imitation, and some springs and pins. We'll see about it later.
And it's a Tokyo Marui style thing, so every
standard AEG
with version 2 gearbox should fit here.
Let's pimp some replicas with A-Tacs goodies from Dytac. We have for you today a brand new AEG from WE, an M4 of course.
And pretty old, I think around 5 years old, GNP M4, which looks nice but has some flaws like a broken receiver. Generally, it needs some new life, so we are going to breathe some new life.
Yeah, with A-Tacs goodies. Dobra, nagrywam. Okay, we assembled two A-Tacs M4s. Yeah. Here's one with a Dytac receiver, Dytac LMT buttstock, pistol grip, and a full grip. And of course, rib covers. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. I have A-Tacs FG front grip, Macul style, and of course classic M4 pistol grip. Let's see how they perform. And of course lots of Dytac magazines. Let's fight.
So, How does the Dytac A-Tacs goodies perform in a 6mm warfare? To begin with, and that concerns all items in the set, the quality of water transfer paint job is astonishing. Whether it to be the whole receiver set, or a simple vertical grip, the A-Tacs camouflage looks and feels just as it should. Moreover, the paint doesn't look like it's going to come off anytime soon. Now let's take a closer look at the receiver set. It's made from an aluminium alloy that doesn't look too fragile. The body works flawlessly with remain G and P parts of Victor's M for replica, including the G and P gearbox and the outer barrel assembly. A complete hop-up chamber is included in the set, but instead we decided to keep Vicky's King Arms hop-up unit. It fits the Dytac receiver just fine. Bear in mind, a charging handle is not included, so you need to keep your own, to install a neat-looking bolt carrier imitation that comes with the package. The mag well accepts G and P magazines with no problem. The magazine movement inside the hatch is significantly smaller than it was with the original G and P body. The LMT style stock fits the buffer tube with a small wobble. A-Tacs pistol grips should fit most of AR-15 type AEGs, but in our case, adjustments in placement of motors were required for them to work properly. Vertical grips have clever QD system that appears to be an unsolvable mystery at the first contact, but later on you get the idea how it works. Just like in most of Airsoft QD systems, with narrower rails a slight wobble might occur. Let's move on to the MOE style handguard. We installed it on AWE M4 AEG replica, where it fits just fine. However, we experienced a slight looseness. The handguard should accept mini batteries up to 9.6 volt, and a variety of LiPo batteries. Dytac Invader Polymer 120 round mid-capacity magazines feed perfectly. We had absolutely no problems with them during rapid BBs exchanges. As for the holsters, they work just like any other Airsoft copies out there, but they look so much better with a Dytac A-Tacs finish.
Dostałem! We've been killed already in a firefight. So how does the receiver work? Does it fit?
Does it fit?
Yes,
Yes, it does.